The labels we've looked at so far for labeling and alignment have been applied to a group of labels that follow the station range or the geometry of an alignment. What if we want certain labels that are connected to the segments or specific coordinates that reference the alignment? Let's go in and look at some of the additional alignment labels that we can use. We're going to open up in this exercise our alignment label segment. Click open. And we're going to look at this intersection here. We want to go ahead and place station offset labels at every one of the PCPTs of our right-of-way to identify a little bit more where those iron pins would sit for our right-of-way curves. So we're going to go ahead and select our main alignment coming through here, Trimble Loop, and I'm going to choose to add labels. Now there's a lot of different types of labels. We're going to look at them in more detail by simply selecting Add Alignment Labels. Now we've seen this dialog box before. We've worked with this dialog box when working with surfaces. And this really provides all of the different types of annotation that can be done for any feature that we use within Civil 3D, including generic AutoCAD lines and curves and simple generic notes. But we're going to use it for the alignments, and notice the different types of alignment labels that we have here. Single segment and multiple segment are connected to labels that may call out bearing and distance, but we can even set them up in such a way that they could call out the name of the road or the alignment, or other settings as well. We have point of intersection, multiple point of intersection. What we're going to do is station offset fixed point. Now the difference between the two labels, station offset fixed point and simple station offset, is the station offset label is fixed to a coordinate and references the alignment, whereas the station offset label is fixed to the alignment. In other words, if the alignment moves, that label will move with it to continue to label the same station and offset. That's not usually what we're looking for. We're usually looking to identify a feature, tree, power pole, sign, something like that, and reference its location in association to the alignment. So we're going to choose station offset fixed point. We're labeling a coordinate or point, and therefore we're dealing with two styles. We're going to choose the no marker style, but we could choose to add a basic 0. We're going to choose also the different types of label here. So all of that set, we're going to go ahead and click add. It says select the point, and we're going to label all 4 corners that we can from this alignment. Once done, we can go ahead and pick the add button again. It says select the alignment. We're going to change our alignment for the other 4 ends. And so all of the labels are there. Now it's simply a matter of making them legible. We'll go ahead and close. And we can drag these items out to make them in a situation that they're more legible than sitting right on top. So the power of the labels really falls in the ability to drag or change their location or even flip or reverse the information found in those labels. And so we've placed all of these different labels and we have our station offset. Let's add one additional label. I'm going to go ahead and select this alignment again, choose add labels, and then this time we're simply going to go to multiple segment and it says select the alignment. So I go ahead and press enter and notice that these labels have been added, providing bearing and distance. We have the diamond grip, so we can slide them along the alignment and change so that they're more legible. So a lot of different types of labels within alignments. We've looked at station type labels, so our major, minor station labels, our geometry points, and so forth. We've looked at the fixed station offset labels, and then we looked at our segment labels using the multiple segment label feature.